Hello guys and welcome to new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see WhatsApp deleted messages. So basically there, make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the simple steps. So there aren't like many things that you can try to directly see the deleted messages of WhatsApp. So the first thing that you can try is to see the notification center. So for iOS, you will need just to drag from top to down and you will see the notification center. So even if the messages are deleted, you can see like the notifications of the deleted messages. And if the messages are too old to see the notification, you can try like only to back up the messages or to add some WhatsApp chat backup. So we need just to access to our WhatsApp application and go to the settings. So basically, we go to the settings. And here we will need just to search for the chat backup. We click on chats and there are the save to camera roll and there is the chat backups. So basically, you will need just to have some informations, I mean some space. You will need just to have space for your backup, and then you can just have your auto backup to be daily, or you can just to turn it on. And of course, you can also add the end-to-end encryption backup, and this way you can start having even the deleted messages included. Otherwise, if you want like to add or to use some third-party applications, even if I do not really advise it because they are risky, you can search for some third-party that are storing like every messages that are sent to you and they are storing it to your phone. In this way, even if the sender like deletes the message, it's already been saved on your phone. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.